What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with the Samsung Galaxy S21 unboxing, as well as not the Galaxy Buds Pro because I actually don't plan on using this, but also the SmartTag that does come. This came free with the purchase of the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G. Before I do begin my unboxing and my first impressions on the device, I just had to peel it, so this right here is gone. I just had to make sure everything was all good, and I accidentally peeled this part before the unboxing. But before I do begin, I really want to thank each and every one of you guys. These types of unboxings, starting from the iPhone SE, the Pixel 4a, the iPhone 12 mini, all these purchases were able to become a reality thanks to each and every one of you guys. Without your support, you guys watching the videos, commenting down below, giving a like, subscribing to the channel, I wouldn't be able to make these purchases. Now with this one, I was able to make the purchase mainly because I did a trade-in, and I am going to be trading in my Samsung Galaxy S10e, and with the purchase came the SmartTag. But this is a different type of video. As you can see, the layout's a little bit different, so I wanted to, give my unboxing first impressions this way. So here we go. I got the Samsung Galaxy S21. I don't like how it says 5G here. The smaller model, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, a Phantom Gray. I didn't go for the Phantom Violet. I saw it in stores, really nice color, but I said, you know what? Let's play it simple and go with the Phantom Gray. So when we open the box, but before you look at the box, it's very thin. That's because there is no, obviously, charging brick. And if you look at the back, unlocked by Samsung. This is unlocked. It's not a carrier version. I already got my fingerprints on here. Here we go. So when we pick up the phone, it already has a built-in screen protector, which I will be using for the time being, but not taking it off anytime soon. And let's peel this back if you want to hear it. Let's see. That was pretty satisfying. Damn, looking at that, that is actually very nice. And they also have something that I have to peel off the camera as well. So, wow. All right, so here is the Phantom Gray. That is looking pretty darn clean. The camera cutout, it's amazing how it's not exactly seamless, like it's not built in seamlessly into the side railing, but they did a pretty good job. If you look very closely, you can see that's not 100% like into the side railing, but it looks very nice. The reason why Samsung is making this type of design is because when you see this phone in public, when you see this phone outside or with others, they want you to know that, hey, look, this is a Samsung phone. Specifically, this is the new Samsung Galaxy S20. They want you to know this is their latest flagship. And in this case, I would call this the premium mid-range, I guess you can say. But they want you to know this is their phone, just like how they know, how Apple knows when you see an iPhone, you know it's an iPhone because of its design mainly. So here it is. Let me get this booted up. Now, the one thing I did notice is Samsung Galaxy, because I did boot this up before. Samsung Galaxy, it doesn't say S21 or S21 Ultra, whatever. It just says Samsung Galaxy. That is pretty weird. But let's put that aside for now. In the box, let's see what else. As we notice, it's just this, really nothing else. Cable inside. And if we look at the back, we got the SIM ejector tool. And inside, literally, we just get the USB-C, the USB-C cable that obviously you need. And the one thing I'm kind of bummed out is many users who will be switching to the Samsung Galaxy S21. I mean, they're probably coming from older phones, so they have a USB-A to USB-C maybe at the most charging brick. So either way, they're going to have to go and buy a new charging brick, which is a bummer. It's the same thing Apple did, unfortunately. Quick reference guide. Obviously, we don't really need these. And then what else is in here? Terms and conditions. We don't really need these. So let's put this aside and get the phone booted up. All right, so here we got the Samsung Galaxy S21 all set up and ready to go. Now, when we look at the back, it has a polycarbonate plastic metal railings. When we look at the bottom, it has USB-C, the slot for your SIM card, and a set of speakers, a speaker grill right here on the bottom. We do have dual speakers, and the speakers the second speaker is in the earpiece on the top. And the big thing about this is this display. It has a flat display on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. There is no curve. The only one that has a curved display and is a very slight curve is the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. A lot of people are actually really happy with this. Now looking at it on my first impressions, I do prefer this actually. I like it. I like how it's a flat display and it's not curved. I mean, I'm coming from a OnePlus 7 Pro that I used to use as my main driver, and the curve there was a very significant curve. So coming from this, and I did use OnePlus 8T, which had a flat display, so definitely this is a also welcome change to the S21 series. But the one drawback is they dropped the display resolution to Full HD. Not that it's going to, personally, I'm not too thing about it. Doesn't really mind me too much, just because I use Full HD on my Quad HD OnePlus 7 Pro, and the 8T also had the Full HD display with 120 hertz, and that's what I like here. Now this is a variable refresh rate, in which if we go to display, we will be able to notice that it is a variable refresh rate. It'll drop from anywhere from 48 hertz to 120 hertz, or you can change it to standard and get longer battery life with a 60 hertz refresh rate. But then again, who wants a 60 hertz refresh rate display nowadays? 120 hertz is definitely the way to go. We do have a front-facing camera that I believe is at 10 megapixels, and then we got the rear cameras right here, in which I will be testing in my full review. But otherwise, it's a fairly decent phone. Design-wise and build-wise, I like it. I mean, it's got that plastic back, and it still supports wireless charging, which is a plus. But the thing is, with this type of device, do we really need a glass back? Do we really need to go premium? I like it. This phone feels premium. Like this Samsung Galaxy S21 Phantom Gray feels premium. And when I look at it to something like my OnePlus 8T, which does have a glass back, I mean, yes, if the OnePlus 8T does feel premium too, but I mean, look at it. It's glass back, plastic. It doesn't really bother me too much. Now, display size, it's 6.2 Full HD versus my OnePlus 8T, which is a 6.55, I believe. Correct me if I am wrong. Otherwise, though, I like this design. I really do. I really do like this design. So when we click on it, there we go. That is fairly quick. They did bring a couple things down, like I said, the Quad HD to Full HD resolution, but they also did bring the price down to $799. That's fine. That is perfectly fine for me, at least. With the drawbacks, I didn't tend to use micro SD as often, and the display is fine. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which I think is going to be better for battery anyway. So I think the drawbacks are good. This phone is probably, it's either this phone or the Ultra that are going to sell very well. It's probably for most people who are looking for the S21 series. If you want to go all in, all out, S21 Ultra is the one for you. Now, we also got the SmartTag that I will set up and show in my review as well. But let's quickly get this guy unboxed. All right. Let's see what the SmartTag is all about. There we go. SmartTag. No? SmartTag, Galaxy SmartTag. So I will take a look on how to set this guy up. But there is that, the Samsung Galaxy S21. My first impressions so far, I'm enjoying it. I like it. I will be switching to this from my OnePlus 8T as my daily Android driver. I am using the iPhone 12 mini as well. I use two devices, iPhone and one Android, and my Android right now, 8T, switching to the Galaxy S21. If you want to see, I don't know, perhaps the Galaxy S21 Ultra, let me know down in the comments below. Like I said, these types of videos are all possible. Reviewing these types of products are all possible because of you guys. I can't thank you guys enough. My goal for 2020 was to hit 5,000 subscribers, and we hit that in 2020. So my goal this year is to hit 10,000 subscribers. At the time of this recording, we're just nearly 100 away from 6,000, and I believe at this rate we will be able to hit 10,000 by the end of 2021. Thank you all so much for supporting the channel. I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know about these types of videos where it's unscripted, pretty much unedited, just a little bit unscripted. Let me know if you enjoy these types of videos, if you want to see more videos like this of me in my natural state, I guess you can say. Comment down below your opinions, your thoughts, questions about the S21, and I will try to answer them in my upcoming videos. I have a bunch of videos in the works, ideas about the S21 videos in the works. Let me know anything down in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.